Hi friends, welcome back to another video. I'm Lorena. If it's your first time watching, I'm getting some cleaning done today and I thought I would just bring you along for hopefully a relaxing clean with me. I love peaceful days like this at home where I'm just doing some cleaning and getting some chores done around the house. And I thought I would just make it a little bit more relaxing today and take my time. Personally, I love watching motivating clean with me videos while I'm either doing dishes or folding laundry, and then sometimes I like to watch something a little bit more relaxing while I enjoy a cup of coffee, and then I get motivation to get stuff done. So hopefully you enjoy today or find some motivation. I love starting my cleaning in the kitchen, so I'm just gonna get that done. I'm not doing a deep clean of the kitchen today, but I did need to wipe down the inside of the microwave, so just getting that done. And I'll do some more deep cleaning soon because I want to refresh and redecorate for summer. So I do like to do a deep clean of my spaces before I bring in any new decor. So the deep cleaning will get done in the near future, but for now I'm pretty much finished in the kitchen. I'm just going to wipe down the countertops and then I'm gonna have a relaxing break in between my cleaning. I'm gonna light a candle and enjoy a cup of tea, and I'm really excited to share the tea that I have really been loving lately. This portion of today's video is sponsored by Tea Forte, and I'm really excited to be working with them today. Tea Forte is a company with some of the most beautiful and delicious teas I've tried. This packaging is just next level. This is the Parody collection, which is the newest and first tropical collection, and the flavors smell amazing and taste just as good. This one includes orchid, lemongrass, citrus, and mango flavors. I love the pyramid infusers and this teacup that it comes with. It really just feels like a luxurious tea experience, whether you like to enjoy a cup in the morning or evening, or even if you're hosting. I feel like your guests would absolutely love being treated to some delicious tea and just a beautiful experience. And I also think that this would make the perfect gift, but they also sell just a loose tea if it's something that you want to try for yourself. I've already tried several of the flavors and they're all so yummy, and the way that the infuser is packaged is my favorite part. The bag can't tear and it just releases all those flavors so well. I know that you guys will really love Tea Forte. I'll leave the link and all the information down below in the description box, and you can also get 25% off with code Lorena25. So it's a great deal if you are wanting to gift it to someone or just to treat yourself. I think this is perfect. Guys, it is so delicious. Such a good flavor. I'm a total fan. I will leave all the information for Tea Forte down below. I'm going to sit and relax and enjoy my tea for a little bit and then get to the rest of the cleaning. And continuing with getting stuff done around the house, I needed to switch out the water for my fresh flowers. I love having fresh flowers every week. These yellow ones have actually lasted me a long time, but most of them were dead. I was able to keep one of the stems, and then a lot of the baby's breath that always lasts a long time. So I'm just switching out the water, and then it'll probably be time for some new ones next week. that greenery that I have in that small white vase is actually real, but it's pretty much just dried out, and I sprayed it with hairspray and it has done so well. So there's just certain types of greenery that I love getting because when it dries out, it's really easy to still keep for a long time. So just dusting down some of the furniture, and then I'm going to vacuum the couches, and I'm finished downstairs. And there are always dog toys to be picked up upstairs, so I'm just tidying up here, and then I'm going to wash all of our throw blankets. Even during the hot months, I love just cozying up on this couch with a blanket, so all of the throw blankets needed to be washed. I'm just gonna vacuum up this couch and the floors, and like I mentioned, I want to do some redecorating for summer, and I don't think I'll do too much upstairs, but I do have some new pillows that I want to switch out, and I'm really excited to redecorate. I'll probably do it this weekend, so my next YouTube video will be my summer decorate with me, which I'm just so excited for summer. I'll be on summer break soon. If you are new here, I'm a teacher, so my last week of school is actually next week, and I'm just ready to do a lot more at home, and I'm just excited for summer break and just to enjoy it. So if you are new, I would love for you to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified when I post some summer decorating videos. Just watering these plants that we have upstairs, and they have done so well. They look just so beautiful and have grown so much, and that's pretty much everything for this cleaning day. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Tea Forte. I'll leave all their information down below, and I'll see you soon on my next one.